Hello, good morning, children. Welcome back to our Hindi class. So yesterday we were learning the second lesson, Bachpan, and I think you remember the writer's name was Krishna Softi. We have completed first page and we started the second page. So I'll just read from the starting. You can follow the line. Okay? बचपन. मैं तुम्हें अपने बचपन की ओर ले जाऊंगी. मैं तुमसे कुछ इतनी बड़ी हूं कि तुम्हारी दादी भी हो सकती हूं, तुम्हारी नानी भी, बड़ी बुआ भी, बड़ी मौसी भी. परिवार में मुझे सभी लोग जीजी कहकर ही पुकारते हैं. हाँ, मैं इन दिनों कुछ बड़ा बड़ा यानी उम्र में सयाना महसूस करने लगी हूँ. शायद इसलिए कि पिछली शताब्दी में पैदा हुई थी. मेरे पहनने ओढ़ने में भी काफी बदलाव आए हैं. पहले मैं रंग बिरंगे कपड़े पहनती रही हूँ. नीला, जामुनी, ग्रे, काला, चॉकलेटी. अब मन कुछ ऐसा करता है कि सफेद पहनो. गहरे नहीं, हल्के रंग. मैंने पिछले दशकों में तरह तरह की पोशाकें पहनी हैं. पहले फ्रॉक, फिर निकरवॉकर, स्कर्ट, लहंगे, गरारे और अब चूड़ीदार और घेरदार कुर्ते. बचपन के कुछ फ्रॉक तो मुझे अब तक याद है. हल्की नीली और पीली धारी वाला फ्रॉक, गोल्ड कॉलर और बाजू पर भी गोल्ड कफ. एक हल्के गुलाबी रंग का बारीक चुन्नटों वाला घेरदार फ्रॉक, नीचे गुलाबी रंग की फ्रिल. उन दिनों फ्रॉक के ऊपर की जेब में रूमाल और बालों में इतराते रंग बिरंगे रिबन का चलन था. लेमन कलर का बड़े प्लेटों वाला गर्म फ्रॉक जिसके नीचे फर टकी थी. 2 ट्यूनिक भी याद है. एक चॉकलेट रंग का और अंदर की कोटी प्याजी, दूसरा ग्रे और उसके साथ सफेद कोटी. सो अप टू हियर व्हाट वाज सेड. द राइटर शी वाज सेइंग दैट she is very elder to you. You can even call her grandmother or auntie, you can call her. Then she says that she was having different types of dresses, and she describes about the dresses which she used to wear. That's what said here in this page. So we have already gone through that portion. So next page. मुझे अपने मोजे और स्टॉकिंग भी याद है. बचपन में हमें अपने मोजे खुद धोने पड़ते थे. वह नौकर या नौकरानी को नहीं दिए जा सकते थे. इसकी सख्त मनाही थी. हम बच्चे इतवार के सुबह इसी में लगाते. धो लेने के बाद अपने अपने जूते पॉलिश करके चमकाते. जब जूते कपड़े या ब्रश से रगड़ते तो पॉलिश की चमक उभरने लगती. So I hope up to that portion we have completed. Up to here. Right? So what was said in this line, in this paragraph? She says that I even remember about the socks and stockings which we use in our childhood, and our parents were not allowed us to give the socks and stockings to the servants to wash. So that was the prime duty of ourselves. So we had to do the same thing. Then she says that after washing the socks, she used to polish her shoes. Then after polishing it, she used a piece of cloth to wipe it, and it used to shine like the shining of the shoes was very nice. Up to that we have completed. Then comes next line. सर्वर, मुझे आज भी बूट पॉलिश करना अच्छा लगता है. सर्वर means mainly. Server means mainly today, now also. Server, mainly. I like to. Mainly what she liked to polish her shoes. Still now, today also, she likes to polish her shoes. अच्छा लगता है। हालांकि अब नई नई किस्म के शू आ चुके हैं। हालांकि मीन्स इन फैक्ट। हालांकि हालांकि अब नई नई किस्म के शू आ चुके हैं। किस्म के मीन्स डिफरेंट टाइप्स। न्यू नए किस्म मीन्स न्यू टाइप। किस्म मीन्स टाइप। सो नए किस्म के शू आ चुके हैं। न्यू टाइप्स ऑफ शूज ऑल्सो हैव nowadays new type of shoes also is there in the shops. So कहना होगा कि ये पहले से कहीं ज्यादा आरामदेह है। एंड आरामदेह मीन्स कंफर्टेबल, ज्यादा कंफर्टेबल। इट इज मीन्स मच कंफर्टेबल। सो कहना होगा, इट इज सेड दैट I have to say that what I have to say that nowadays the shoe which is available in the market is much comfortable than the shoes what we use in our childhood. हमें अब जब नए जूते मिलते उसके साथ ही छालों का इलाज शुरू हो जाता। सी, हमें जब नए जूते मिलते इन आवर चाइल्डहुड, when we get a new shoes, उसके साथ along the time when we get the new shoe, we have to start the ilaj. Ilaj means treatment or medicine. You can say ilaj means treatment. We have to start the treatment of chala. We have to start the treatment of chala. Chala means the wound which occurs in our leg. The wound what occurs on our leg while wearing new shoes. So we can write foot ulcer. It's a type of foot ulcer. Okay. So the time when we get new shoes, we will start the treatment of foot ulcer too. Because why the writer has said that when we get new shoes, we have to start the treatment for foot ulcer? Because those days the shoes which was available was not much comfortable one. It was so hard. So when we used to wear a hard shoes, hard footwear, what happens? Even our legs get wounded, right? So the same thing happens to the writer also. So she used to start the treatment for the foot ulcer also. So up to that, any doubt? शुरू हो जाता, शुरू हो जाना means starts. शुरू हो जाना means starts. Then okay, next line. ओके, नेक्स्ट लाइन। जब कभी लंबी सैर पर निकलते अपने पास रुई जरूर रखते। एंड वेन एवर वी गो फॉर ए लॉन्ग वॉक, what we used to keep with us? Rui. Rui means cotton. Rui means cotton. Rui means cotton. So whenever we go for a long walk, we used to keep cotton with us. लंबी सैर, for a long walk, निकलते, when we set off for a long walk, अपने पास रुई जरूर रखते. We keep cotton with us. जूता लगा तो रुई मोजे के अंदर. And when we wear the shoes, जूता लगा, when we wear the shoes, what happens? रुई मोजे के अंदर रखते. The cotton we put inside the socks. So before wearing the socks, we put some cotton inside the socks, then we wear, and then only we wear shoes. So that it gives because of the cotton we get comfortable for our legs, the softness we get in our to our leg. So हमारे तुम्हारे बचपन में तो बहुत फर्क हो चुका है. And she says हमारे तुम्हारे बचपन में, in your and my childhood में तो बहुत फर्क हो चुका है. फर्क means change. There is lot of change between my childhood and your childhood. फर्क means change or different, you can say. Change, I'll write here. Change. There's a lot of change. There is a lot of change in your childhood and my childhood. हर शनिचर को हमें ऑलिव ऑयल और कैस्टर ऑयल पीना पड़ता. हर शनिचर, एवरी सैटरडे, शनिचर सैटरडे. शनिचर सैटरडे. सो हर शनिचर को हमें ऑलिव ऑयल या कैस्टर ऑयल. सो ऑलिव ऑयल यू हैव हर्ड, राइट? कैस्टर ऑयल ऑल्सो. सो every Saturday there was a custom in their house to drink this olive oil and castor oil. So when this is because they think that while drinking olive oil and castor oil it gives health, it makes human being healthy. Okay, that's why there was a custom that every Saturday children used to drink olive oil as well as castor oil. यह एक मुश्किल काम था and it was very difficult because of the smell of castor oil. They feel vomiting. Okay, so still the children they have to drink olive oil and castor oil. यह एक मुश्किल काम था. It was very difficult. It was very difficult for us to drink that. शनिचर को सुबह से ही नाक में हंसी इसकी गंध आने लगती. And morning itself, Saturday morning, as well as the Saturday morning, as soon we get up, we just get the feel of the smell of these oils. So शनिचर को सुबह से ही नाक में इसकी गंध आने लगती. So from the Saturday when we get up from the bed, at that time itself we start to think about this type of oil and think about this type of oil and we feel to get vomited. So शनिचर को सुबह से ही नाक में इसकी गंध आने लगती. The smell we feel in the morning itself. छोटे शीशे की गिलास जिन पर ठीक खुराक के लिए निशान पड़े रहते. एंड छोटे शीशे के ग्लास, द ग्लास मेड अप ऑफ ग्लास. ओके, सो छोटे शीशे की ग्लास, देयर वाज ए ग्लास केप्ट फॉर टेकिंग दिस टाइप ऑफ ऑयल जिन पर ठीक खुराक के लिए निशान पड़े रहते. खुराक मीन्स डोज. फॉर द करेक्ट डोज there was a mark made on the glass. Dose, Hindi word is khurak. So for the measurement they used to mark a line on that glass. उन्हें देखते ही, by seeing that glass, मितली होने लगती. मितली होना vomit. So by seeing the glass itself we feel to vomit. So here in this paragraph the writer is saying that when they see the glass and by seeing the glass they feel to vomit because they think when they see the glass they get the image of drinking those oil. मुझे आज भी लगता है कि अगर हम न भी पीते वो शनिवारी दवा तो कुछ ज्यादा बिगड़ने वाला नहीं था. मुझे आज भी लगता है, till now, today also, even today I feel that if we were not drinking that Saturday medicine, it would won't worst our health. It won't affect our health. So the writer is saying there was no necessary of drinking such type of olive oil or castor oil. Okay? So the writer was not agreeing that these type of oils needed for our good health. So she says, if we were not drinking also, it would not make any change in our health. So मुझे आज भी लगता है, still now, today also I feel that अगर हम न भी पीते, if हम न भी पीते, if we would have not drank that Shaniwari Dava means Saturday medicine. The Saturday medicine is meant for the olive oil and castor oil, because the Saturday they used to drink it. That's why it is said as Shaniwari Dava. तो कुछ ज्यादा बिगड़ने वाला नहीं था. ज्यादा बिगड़ने, it won't make us harmful. If we are not drinking that oil also, we won't lose our health. सेहत ठीक ही रहती. सेहत means health. सेहत means health. So health कैसा रहता? ठीक ही रहता. तुम्हें बताऊंगी कि हमारे समय और तुम्हारे समय में कितनी दूरी हो चुकी है. And I will tell you that what change has come from my childhood to your childhood. यहाँ तक कि बचपन की दिलचस्पियां भी बदल गई हैं. And दिलचस्पी means interest. So even the interest of the children have changed. So in my generation, the interest which the children were having is different from the interest of the children of this generation. Is it clear? So in this last paragraph, the writer wants to say that what she's saying, there is a lot of difference between my childhood and your childhood. Then she says the interest of those days children and these days children have changed. Now, the next page. याद रहे उन दिनों कुछ घरों में ग्रामोफोन थे, रेडियो और टेलीविजन नहीं थे. I remember, याद रहे, still I remember, or you can just see that उन दिनों कुछ घरों में ग्रामोफोन थे. Those days, in my generation, my time, there was gramophone in some of the houses. Okay, not in every house, but some of the houses they were having gramophone, and radio or television nahi the. We were not having radio and television in our houses. So here the writer says for entertainment we used to hear music, we used to listen to music, but we don't use radio, television, and nowadays we can see mobiles, then electronic gadgets are there to entertain you. But in my time, when I was childhood, we were not having all this type of electronic gadgets. Only gramophone we used to use. हमारे बचपन की कुल्फी आइसक्रीम हो गई है. So then she says that in our childhood we like to taste kulfi, but nowadays it has changed. The children like to have ice cream. हमारे बचपन की कुल्फी आइसक्रीम हो गई है. In our time, in our childhood, कुल्फी was there, and now it has changed into ice cream. कचौड़ी समोसा पैटीज में बदल गया है. In our childhood, we like to eat kachori and samosa. It's a type of snacks. And but now the children would like to eat patties. Patties is a type of fillings, right? Yeah. So शहतूत और पालसे और खसखस के शरबत कॉक पेप्सी में. Then she says that शहतूत और फालसे. शहतूत means white mulberry. शहतूत और फालसे खसखस के शरबत कॉक और पेप्सी में बदल गई है. So there she says शहतूत Shahatooth means white mulberry. Then falsa is falsa itself. It's a type of seed. Falsa in English also we can say as falsa. Then khaskhas. Poppy seed. Okay. Then she says, shahatooth or false or khaskhas ke sharbat. The sharbat made up of white mulberry, falsa and poppy seed. Now it has changed into Coke and Pepsi. Coca-Cola and Pepsi. So in our generation, when we were child, at that time we would like to drink sharbat, which was made up of white mulberry, falsa and poppy seed. Okay, but now the children prefer to drink Coke and Pepsi. उन दिनों कोक नहीं, लेमनेड, विम्टो मिलती थी. In my time, when I was child, at that time we used to get soft drinks like lemonade and Vimto. And nowadays these type of soft drinks are not available. You can get, you are preferring to drink Cokes. Then writer says, शिमला और नई दिल्ली में बड़े हुए बच्चों को वेंगर्स और डेविको रेस्टोरेंट की चॉकलेट और पेस्ट्री मजा देने वाली होती है. So she says that the children who have grown up in Delhi and Shimla, the children who have brought up there, they would like to eat pastries and chocolate of Wenger's and Davico restaurant. Restaurant is restaurant. Wenger's and Davico restaurant. So the children who were grown up there, they used to eat chocolates. They like to have chocolates and pastry from these restaurants. हम भाई बहनों की ड्यूटी लगती शिमला के मॉल से ब्राउन ब्रेड लाने की. एंड हम भाई बहनों की ड्यूटी, सो आवर ड्यूटी वॉज गिवन बाय टर्न. What was our duty? Shimla mall से brown bread लाने की. So we in our house there were so many children. I was having siblings, my brother, sister. So we were assigned duty of buying brown bread from the Shimla mall. Shimla mall. So is it clear? Then हमारा घर मॉल से ज्यादा दूर नहीं था. So our house was not so far away from the mall. So the duty of the children was to bring brown bread from the Shimla mall, and that Shimla mall was not so far away from our house. Okay, एक छोटी सी चढ़ाई और गिरजा मैदान पहुंच जाते, वहां से एक उतराई उतरते और मॉल पर. So here she says that the mall was just behind a hill. Okay, so her house was one side of the hill and the mall was the another side of a hill. Okay, so her house and the mall was separated by a hill. So if they want to go to the mall, she has to cross the hill. So what they does, they just climb up the hill, then they reaches the Girija Maidan. Girja Maidan is church. The Maidan of the church. Okay, then they just get down of the hill, they climb down of the hill and they reach to mall. So how they used to go? It was not, the mall was not so far away from their house. They used to climb up the hill and they reached the church, then they climbed down off the hill and they reached the mall. See, एक छोटी सी चढ़ाई. The hill was not so big one, it was a small hill, so they had to just climb up and they reached Girija Maidan, the church compound. They reached the church compound. Then वहां से एक उतराई उतरते, then they had to climb down from there and they reached mall. Then they reached the Shimla mall. कन्फेक्शनरी काउंटर पर तरह तरह की पेस्ट्री और चॉकलेट की खुशबू मन भावनी थी. So it was very mind-blowing, the smell of chocolates and pastry which was displayed in the confectionery counter. Okay, so in the confectionery counter there was different types of sweets, pastries, chocolates kept, and the smell of those sweets was mind-blowing. It attracts us. Khushbu means the fragrance. Man bhavani, mind-blowing. Okay, then हमें हफ्ते में एक बार चॉकलेट खरीदने की छूट थी. सबसे ज्यादा मेरे पास ही चॉकलेट टॉफी का स्टॉक रहता. हमें हफ्ते में एक बार चॉकलेट खरीदने की छूट थी. छूट मीन्स अलाउड. Permission was given to us. So only once in a week we can buy chocolates. Only that much permission was given to us. सबसे ज्यादा मेरे पास ही चॉकलेट टॉफी का स्टॉक रहता. So I was the person who was having much chocolates with me. So when the children buy the chocolate from the shop, what they does, they just eat off. They won't keep the chocolates with them. But the writer, she was not like that. She used to keep the chocolates with herself. So stock means she just keep safe with her. मैं चॉकलेट लेकर खड़े खड़े कभी न खाती. So I never used to eat chocolate by standing. Means when the children buy the chocolate from the shop, they just stand there and they eat. But the writer, she doesn't do like that. घर लौटकर side board पर रख देती. She comes back to her house and she keep the chocolates in a side board. और रात के खाने के बाद बिस्तर में लेकर मजा ले खाती. So after the dinner, रात के खाने के बाद, after the food what she eat at her dinner, उसके बाद after that बिस्तर में लेटकर she lays on the cot and मजा ले खाती. She enjoys eating chocolates. So the writer, when she eats her chocolates, when she come back from the shop, she keep the chocolates in a sideboard. Then at the night she eats her dinner. Then she comes to her bed and enjoys the chocolate. So we will hear the video part of this portion. Okay.
हाँ, हमारे तुम्हारे बचपन में तो बहुत फर्क हो चुका है. लगती को सुबह से ही नाक में इसकी गंध आने लगती. छोटे शीशे के गिलास जिन पर ठीक खुराक के लिए निशान पड़े रहते, उन्हें देखते ही मितली होने लगती. मुझे आज भी लगता है कि अगर हम न भी पीते वो शनिवारी दवा तो कुछ ज्यादा बिगड़ने वाला नहीं था. सेहत ठीक ही रहती. तुम्हें बताऊंगी कि हमारे समय और तुम्हारे समय में कितनी दूरी हो चुकी है. यहाँ तक कि बचपन की दिलचस्पियां भी बदल गई हैं. याद रहे, उन दिनों कुछ घरों में ग्रामोफोन थे, रेडियो और टेलीविजन नहीं थे. हमारे बचपन की कुल्फी आइसक्रीम हो गई है, कचौड़ी समोसा पैटीज में बदल गया है, शहतूत और फालसे और खसखस के शरबत कोक पेप्सी में। उन दिनों कोक नहीं, लेमनेड, विम्टो मिलती थी। शिमला और नई दिल्ली में बड़े हुए बच्चों को वेंगर्स और डेविको रेस्तरां की चॉकलेट और पेस्ट्री मजा देने वाली होती। हम भाई बहनों की ड्यूटी लगती शिमला मॉल से ब्राउन ब्रेड लाने की। हमारा घर मॉल से ज्यादा दूर नहीं था। एक छोटी सी चढ़ाई और गिरजा मैदान पहुंच जाते। वहां से एक उतराई उतरते और मॉल पर। कन्फेक्शनरी काउंटर पर तरह तरह की पेस्ट्री और चॉकलेट की खुशबू मन भावनी। हमें हफ्ते में एक बार चॉकलेट खरीदने की छूट थी। सबसे ज्यादा मेरे पास ही चॉकलेट टॉफी का स्टॉक रहता। मैं चॉकलेट लेकर खड़े खड़े कभी ना खाती। घर लौटकर साइड बोर्ड पर रख देती और रात के खाने के बाद बिस्तर में लेटकर मजा ले खाती।